What's up, insiders? Welcome to this week's news flash. It's been a while, so let's get into this week's updates. Let's start off with live redirects. A few months ago, we mentioned we had found an issue with the live redirect feature and had to roll back the allow channels I subscribe to redirect my content component. Since then, we were able to diagnose and fix the issue and are happy to announce that full functionality for the live redirects feature has been restored. In addition to this, we're introducing a new redirects permission that gives creators the ability to allow redirects from anyone. In other words, creators who select this permission will make their content eligible for live redirects from any creator, regardless of the sending channel's live redirect permissions. This feature is now live for all eligible creators, and of course we'll leave a link in the description with more information. Next up, let's talk about Super Thanks. For those of you who don't know, Super Thanks is a monetization product that allows creators to earn an additional source of revenue and to connect with viewers who want to show extra gratitude for the creator's content. Super Thanks is available on VODs for YPP creators across 68 locations. We'll leave more information in the description below. Now, we're excited to announce that we're launching a beta that will expand Super Thanks availability to Shorts content for a subset of creators that already have Super Thanks enabled. In parallel, we're running a viewer experiment for a few weeks that will allow only a subset of viewers to purchase Super Thanks on Shorts. We're planning on bringing this to more creators over the coming months, so stay tuned. And finally, let's talk about highlighted comments. A few weeks ago, we mentioned we were running an experiment where creators on iOS could feature comments posted on their channel in their Shorts content. We're happy to announce that this is now available for all Shorts creators on iOS. And yes, we're planning on bringing this feature to Android in the future, so stay tuned. The goal is to provide a way for creators to invite their viewers to participate in their content. We're also exploring ideas like notifying viewers when their comment is highlighted. So let us know what you think, and we'll leave more information in the description below. And that's about it for this week's news flash. Thanks for joining us from the creators of YouTube to YouTube creators. We'll see you next week.